Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to access customer care on Preply. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So first full watch video without skipping. So first we tap on Google and tap on search bar and search Preply and tap on Preply and tap on question mark and tap on help center, and you can search your any problem here. And I hope your problem is solved after watching this video. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.